So here we have the Diyel Outdoor Gooseneck Barn Light. This is an outdoor wall farmhouse style exterior wall mount light. Great wall light for porch, entryway, and I've seen it a lot on garages. This comes in a matte black finish with gold interior, curved top cover, and gooseneck arm. This outdoor farmhouse wall light a charming and fashionable appearance. Now let's check out what's in the box. Now right away, this is a nice size. The wall light mount is 4.7 inches, and you have a 11.5 inch size lamp. And total distance from the wall when installed, it sticks out 13 inches and it's 13 inches high. The metal frame is an oil rubbed bronze finish. It looks great with one of those LED vintage style bulbs, 60 watt max, and compatible with E26 base bulbs. It's made of a high quality, high pressure cast iron and anti-oxidation coat that is anti-corrosion and anti-rust. Can withstand extreme weather, whether it's a rainstorm, snowstorm, hurricane heat, or other extreme weather. They claim it will not fade or age. You could put in a E26 base bulb. Maximum wattage is 100 watts. Bulb will not be included. It's also compatible with LED or incandescent bulbs. It comes with all the hardware you need to get this lamp hardwired. This is everything sent for you for quick and easy installation. So if you're looking for a farmhouse wall light, this is an ideal choice, and looks like it's a well-built quality item.